Okay, here in this class that I'm showing you is about that you can multitask if you want. For example, you get bored of one job, you go to the next one. So you've set, for example, you've set two jobs up. In this case, I've set up the saw, and this is why this thing is here as well. This thing here to hold that. The G clamp is here. And for example, I've got another axe that I've got to sharpen. It's a different one in the previous video shot, and I may sharpen this. There's plenty of room between here and there though. You've got to leave plenty of room so you don't cut yourself here. There's about half a foot there. There's plenty of room for me, and we just may sharpen this. Okay, as we sharpen this, we control our hands so we don't go smashing on this though. Okay, so just come here. It's all about control. Okay, come up here. Okay, come in here. And as we're sharpening that, we may say, okay, I had enough of this for today. I'll finish it tomorrow. I want to do a different job, so I might just take that off. See how it comes off? This comes off this way, easy, but it doesn't come off this way because this is where the pressure is. So you got to design it the way you like the G clamps to be. It doesn't matter how it is, as long as it's steady. As long as it's just steady, it doesn't move. Okay, so we might take this off now. And last time, let me just get it. We were using a file. This file here, one of the videos. The previous video we were using this file, which is a bit too big for the saw, but I didn't know I had this one. Okay, and then I found this one. This one's a lot better, and that does it about at least 99% of the job to raise a sharp, but maybe sometimes not 100%. You need one that's a diamond shape like this, which I bought this yesterday. I lost my other one, so I don't know where it is. So this will go into here, and it fits perfectly like that. So like a diamond shape, and you just find the angle, and you come in here, give it a few shots, and you just come this way. So a diamond shaped one like this will be better for this type of saw. The other saw, you cannot use a diamond shape. There's different types of saws. But this type of saw can be used with a okay. Wrong way that one. Okay, we come in here, and we just continue until we get razor sharp teeth. Okay, so thank you for watching and listening. Now there's a lot of work to be done here, all along here as well. I just did a little bit of it, but it's the same thing as the previous video on the saw, except you're using a diamond shape here, and that's all there is to it. So I might get bored of this again and say, okay, I want to go back to the axe. So I might just grab the axe and put it here. I might go on the other side this time. Okay, we come here, put it in there, make sure it's steady. Comes off this way, but not this way. That's what you want. You want to make sure it's steady, and you just start applying it on this side. Now this has got a long way to go for this axe. Okay, a long way, but that's how it's done until it's razor sharp. Okay, thank you for listening, and God be with each and every one of you from Thermos Scootress.